Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about our paper, Lab on a Secchi Disc, a prototype open source profiling package for low-cost monitoring in aquatic environments. So we begin the paper by talking about updates to a miniature Secchi disc, which is a small handheld device that can be used to measure the Secchi depth and the frontal colour scale. This slightly smaller version has a 10-metre tape, and we've also updated the design now for a slightly larger version designed for slightly clearer waters. So this is normally used in more turbid waters, and this is slightly clearer coastal waters where the Secchi depths are typically deeper, less than 20 metres depth. But the crux of the paper is a new design where we begin to integrate environmental sensing technology into the Secchi disc, which we've called a sensing Secchi disc. So this is the same as the mini Secchi disc, but rather than just having a Secchi disc, we now have a environmental profiling package. On it we have a small spectral light sensor, measures light at a number of different wavelengths in the visible portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. We have a temperature sensor, and we also have a little pressure sensor here. So in order to use the device, we have a little magnet switch, a reed switch. So we pop the magnet in and the device starts. And in the device there is also a GPS. So at the moment it's searching for a GPS signal, and once it gets that GPS signal, it'll update the real-time clock on the device, so the time's correct for the data that's collected, and also we of course have our fix. So it's operated in the same way as a miniature Secchi disc. You pop your finger in the finger strap and essentially pop the handle up and over, and you can operate it up and down and profile with it as you see fit. Now the device collects data onto a little SD card, and it can also be charged wirelessly. So at the base of it we have a little wireless charger and a wireless charging paddle that allows us to charge it wirelessly. So we're just waiting for the little fix. In a moment the green light should pop on. There we go, you can see the green light's popped on. So it's got its GPS fix, and you literally just lower it into the water. Normally when you put it at the surface of the water, you leave it for a minute or two just to acclimate, to get used to the environment. I'm not going to do that now for the sake of the video, but essentially once it's acclimated, you then just begin to lower it gently through the water column. And you can measure the Secchi depth as you would normally, but it's also continuously collecting spectral light data as well as temperature data and pressure data. So once you've done your profile and you've made your measurement of Secchi depth and frontal colour, you can wind the instrument back up, pop the reed switch out so it switches the device off, and you can store the device away. So the device is Arduino based. It's all encased in epoxy resin, so it's water resistant, and it's the cost of all the components are around in the order of £300 to £400. So it's a very low cost way of optically profiling our environment as well as